All right, you sneaky mongrels.
You all right, mate? Yeah, I reckon we'd be able to do that for free.
You live spotless? Terrific, nice, thank you.
Alright, you sneaky mongoose, Josh here from Kruzer Earthmoving again. As per your request, we're here today with Con. He's invited us into his house to have a bit of an interview with him, just so we get an understanding of his past and his history. So let's welcome Con. How are you, Con?
Well, thank you, mate. Thank you very much.
I've got some questions for you,
mate,
Con.
mate.
Can you tell me a bit about your childhood?
I'm 88.
You're 88, yeah.
Then I remember we had a German then in my country. We have grown up to eat. And Germans, before they cover up our land with landmines, they supply us food, and like the other two Germans were there. And we have a good time. But after that, they have no shoes, no dressing, nothing. We were very poor.
When did you actually leave Greece?
What
year?
This is 1959, I come here.
Yep.
In the end of 59, anyway. When the war finished, my father says, let's go to Australia. Because then Australian government gives some land to the people, as farmers in my country,
Yep.
to settle in Australia.
What did you used to do for work when you moved?
Plastering, mate.
So when you first moved to Australia, you did some
Plastering, yeah. I was plaster there.
You've always done plastering?
Yeah, plaster, yeah, all the years. Very hard job.
Yeah.
Very hard job.
So we've got a few questions from some of the people from YouTube and our marketing channels that we have. What are your thoughts on Kruzer Earthmoving, Con, with helping the underprivileged?
The people you work with is very good, and I saw your staff there works like on job all the day here.
Yeah.
You have good team
Yeah.
and clean team. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. Thanks. How has the new landscaping improved your life around the house?
A lot,
Yeah.
because first of all, in right hand side, as you see there, was a mess,
Yeah. Yeah.
bushy, and it's totally different. Before, I can't open the door,
Yeah.
garage door there,
Yeah.
carport,
Yeah.
you know, the shed, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I can't open the door. And you people here, I remember I said to your guy, he said, now we have to do the job perfect.
Yeah.
And one of your workers, a young boy,
Yeah.
with the jackhammer.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Yeah, I don't know, I forgot his name, you
Yeah,
know?
Gus,
Yeah,
Gus.
yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
He worked like it was his job, his own job.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Well,
that's,
I can be no happy with this people.
yeah, thank you. Were there any features or elements of the landscaping that we actually did that you were really happy with?
Oh, everything happy, everything right.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
you were.
everything.
But one thing. What was there? Would there be one thing?
It might be more amazing was that you had the flower, the plant,
The garden bed.
the garden there, and the flower there already.
Yeah, it's already.
Also, yeah. The white one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ready to go plant.
And this
basically,
19
planted.
tree, this
Yeah.
19 tree,
19
you know,
trees, yeah.
it has it there, still there.
Yeah, of course.
Every morning we get up, we're going to see it.
Yeah. Have you been watering them as well?
A little bit,
Little
once.
bit? Yeah, that's okay. Sorry. Do you think that the property has built equity since the landscaping's been done?
Of course.
Of course.
When you do facelift, always,
facelift, yeah.
you look better there.
Yeah.
Well, the same thing there. When I come through now, I saw put my left left side there, so I come in and remember how it was, and now it's different altogether. Different altogether, because before there was, you remember, heap of rubbish, you know,
Yeah.
trees, you cut there, everything, and now it looks decent. God.
Yeah. Alright, look, we'll wrap some stuff up.
Yeah.
But last question I have for you
Alright.
is if you can give some of our viewers out there, some of the younger viewers,
Yeah.
some advice on what they need to be doing in life, for some future advice, what would that be?
Well, first of all, respect the people involved with it, everywhere. On the streets, see the oldies there, but give good respect to the oldies because we need help,
Yep.
right? They easily fall down the oldies, unfortunately, and we need the young people to give us a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So make sure, guys, that you look after your elders and respect them. It's been a pleasure. Thank you for having us in the house
Thanks, mate.
and letting us have this interview. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much,
Yeah.
mate.